NuContour works by using two types of energy, focused ultrasound and radio frequency. So both of these work together to cook the entire thickness of the skin and get the results we want. NuContour is different from other machines because this is one machine that can treat both the face and the body at the same time. And it can treat most every part of the body, including slimming of the arms, the chest, the back, the abdomen, the love handles, the thighs, the hips. Almost every body part that you can imagine that liposuction can treat, NuContour can treat. Unlike surgery, it's painless, it has no downtime, and it takes very short amount of time to treat. You don't have to be there for several hours. NuContour, the treatment can be done in as short as 30 minutes to 1 hour. Results of NuContour can last for up to a year. That's why the recommended repeat procedure is like once a year after you get the first 3 initial treatments. The results may take as long as usually 3 weeks before you actually see the stretching and the tightening. Some patients do report an immediate change in their facial shape or in their arm shape right after the treatment. NuContour burns fat, which makes it stand out from all other machines because the focused ultrasound can go deep up to 4.5 millimeters, way past the thickness of the dermis, into the fat and kill the superficial layers of fat. NuContour is US FDA approved, meaning to say it has gone through several testing, it has gone through the rigorous trials that prove that it is safe. NuContour can be used in young adults and old adults from their 20s, 30s, 40s, all the way into their 70s. NuContour has a use for all these patients. The maximum number of treatments you can do on a patient, depending on the case, is around 3 times a year. But there should be an interval of 1 month in between. Once a year, though, of treatment is still acceptable in terms of maintaining the tightening and the slimming effect that it gives. NuContour is available in our clinic, or you can actually call for home service. So, take advantage of this new technology. Let's contour the new you.